What's up everyone, Vitaly here, and in this video I want to talk to you about if Google is still a viable traffic source for your website and if it's worth investing time and effort into growing your website and trying to get traffic from there. Now the short answer is yes, but the more longer answer is you should focus on other traffic sources and prioritize those over Google. And I would recommend you prioritize places like YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, other social media networks, Bing potentially, but that's pretty much on the lower end of the hierarchy of what I just mentioned. Now, quick recap, the reason I even say all of this is because a couple of years ago, in 2023, late 2023, Google released a very unhelpful update, which it called the HCU, the helpful update. Now, I call it unhelpful because it just destroyed my rankings and for quite a long time, and I wasn't the only one that got caught by that. If we look at my long-term traffic stats, I can't even go back before 2024, I was just pretty much at a standstill, a flat line. And if we keep going back to 2023 when the update happened, and even before 2022, 2021, I had a lot of traffic coming to my website. We're talking about somewhere between 150,000 to 200,000 visitors a month just from Google, from organic, all free traffic. I was doing really well. The website that I was getting traffic to was making good money from all of it, and then the HCU update came along and everything was just utterly destroyed. I was trying to figure out how to get into the good graces of Google, trying to optimize my website, but nothing was working, and I wasn't the only one that was reporting this. Fast forward, a couple of years have passed and things are picking up again, as you can see. But I'm not making the same mistake anymore, which originally was I was too dependent on Google. So if right now you are creating a website and it's getting indexed in Google, it's getting ranked in Google, great, keep that going. Continue to focus on that, continue to create content, but I would highly advise that you start to outsource beyond Google. And what I mean by that is keep creating your content that you do, but then start to promote and advertise that content on social media. Promote it on Pinterest, make more pins to lead back to your website. Perhaps start a Facebook page and start posting Reels videos in a post to link back to your website. And just keep doing more and more of that, because as you diversify your traffic sources, you become less reliant on a single traffic source, whether that be Google or whether that be something else. Even though I'm happy that I'm now getting some traffic from Google, I'm not making the same mistake of saying, oh great, we're going to go back to the good old days the way it was before the HCU update, because just as well another algorithm update can come up that can actually destroy these rankings again. I mean, I've seen it before. Anyone that's been in SEO has seen it before. So when I, for example, post content, I publish it, but the main intent isn't even Google anymore. I just publish it, and if Google wants to pick it up and rank it, great, no problem. I'm more than happy to get extra traffic. But what I mainly prioritize is traffic sources like Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, other social media platforms, because that is where I believe the future of anyone's website is, frankly speaking. And so if I go into a traffic breakdown when it comes to where my website is getting traffic from, it's very much all over the place. So this is a traffic report for the last 30 days for my website, over 100,000 visitors. Still, 100,000 less than what I was getting from Google, but you know what? It's from multiple traffic sources. And if we head down here, yes, Google is still the highest. Direct is kind of like a mix of all these other ones, which kind of includes it. But then you see Facebook, you see Pinterest, you see Bing, you see DuckDuckGo. And I'm continuing to focus on those traffic sources because, frankly, I find them to be far more reliable. Yes, they're not as high as Google right now, but I have something to work on. I'd be very happy if my Pinterest traffic, for example, was getting me 100,000 visitors a month, which is why I'm focusing on that. I'd be very happy if Facebook was doing really well, which is why when I publish new content, I aim to promote that content across these networks. In your case, you could create videos that link back to your blog post. You can actually work on creating another asset of your online business in YouTube while you still have a blog. It's very important to diversify your business and traffic portfolio these days, and I would say even starting years ago. Because these kinds of updates that happened in Google can happen elsewhere. Something can happen to the business. A part of your online business can fall apart. Life happens. The S word happens from time to time in life. And this is why it's important to basically hedge your online business. And the way that you hedge it is to diversify your traffic portfolio. And so that's really what I wanted to share with you in this video. And if you have any questions about this, let me know. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.